What's up, it's Dan, and I am super pumped because we are here with the 991 GT2 RS, and we are about to run this thing on our dyno, see what it does stock, and then we're throwing our VR tuned ECU flash in to see how much more extra power we can get out. Let's do a quick overview as we usually do here. This is a brand new GT2 RS in a chalk color finish. Got the awesome full carbon fiber hood with the Mac ducts in there, and they are actually functional. Big, wide, 21-inch rear wheels, 20-inch front wheels, ceramic brakes. One thing that you probably don't know is underneath the hood, there's a water tank which actually sprays water into the intake system just like a water meth kit does that you put on your Subaru, Evo, GTR, etc.
So we got this 911 finally completed. This is where we had all the cooling fittings and everything replaced. It is time to load the tune on here because it's not going to run very well. Even though this thing already has a stage 3 tune, now with the 1336 cc injectors, the flow is going to be highly increased with the tune that it currently has. So we're gonna start it up and show you how that will run, and then we'll actually do a video right after we tune it and show you the difference. It's most important. This is why you don't want to just install something like this and drive it around, because you'll blow the car up.
All right, Vivid Racing fans, we have an awesome one for you today. This is a Porsche Cayenne 3.6 liter twin turbo that we're going to do our VR tuned ECU flash on and dyno test it. So let's check it out. With a 3.6 liter twin turbo engine, just like the Macan, 420 horsepower stock. So doing this ECU flash requires the ECU to be removed from the vehicle, which is very simple underneath the hood. Luckily, Porsche has kept the ECU in the same location since I think 2003, and that is accessed back here behind this panel. ECU simply unplugs, big plugs there, unbolt the ECU, comes out. From there, we're able to do the bench flash. So again, awesome 420 horsepower, 3.6 liter engine stock. We're going to run this on our dyno here, do our VR tuned ECU flash, and show you how much it's going to gain from the flash.
Die Serienleistung liegt bei dem Fahrzeug schon bei 439 PS und 509 Newtonmeter. Der Turboladerausbau bei dem Fahrzeug ist relativ einfach gestaltet. Hier sind wir nach ca. 2,5 Stunden fertig mit dem Ausbau. Die Überholung unserer Lader dauert ca. 6 bis 8 Werktage. Dabei werden auch die kompletten Gehäusehälften gereinigt und natürlich komplett überholt. Also bist du schon drauf?
Ja, wir laufen.
Ah, wir laufen schon. Nein, also die Turbolader sind wieder zurückgekommen von unserem Zulieferer. Und hier sieht man schön, dass wir die Frischluftseite von dem Turbolader modifiziert haben. Die Frischluftseite ist ungefähr 11% größer gemacht wie die Serienseite. Wir sehen hier die Abgasseite von dem Turbolader. Die wurde seriebelassen